Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready. Open Pinterest on your phone or web browser and sign in. Start by searching precise keywords so you don't waste time. Add orientation like portrait or landscape. Once you find an image, tap to view the full-size preview. You can save to a board or use the download option if available. This first step ensures you have the highest quality source image, because starting with a larger file prevents blurry wallpapers later. Now move to grabbing the actual file for your device. Once the image is saved to your device, open it and confirm the resolution. Higher is better. Crop to match your screen's aspect ratio so important parts aren't cut off. For phones, that's often 9:16. If needed, resize slightly larger than screen dimensions and apply a light sharpen to retain clarity after scaling. Export as PNG or high-quality JPEG. Making these edits now prevents poor alignment or pixelation when you actually apply the image. Open your device's wallpaper settings or long press the home screen and choose a new wallpaper. Select the prepared image, adjust position and zoom so key details are visible, then set for home, lock, or both. If the wallpaper looks blurry or won't save, make sure the Photos/Gallery app has storage and download permissions. If that's fine, re-download the full-size image from Pinterest and re-edit at the correct resolution. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.